Moving the heat bed will cause abnormal noises. Turn off the power and move the heat bed forward. Remove the Y-axis rear cover screws. Remove the Y-axis rear cover. Remove the eddy current coil. Place the eddy current coil base upwards. Wipe it with a cleaning cloth. Apply a little lubricant grease with a cotton swab. Apply it evenly on the eddy current coil. Apply lubricant oil to the surface of the Y-axis belt. Press the tightly with a cleaning cloth. Push the heat bed back and forth to evenly spread the lubricant oil. Reinstall the eddy current coil and lift it to avoid scratching the belt. Install the eddy current coil screw. Install the Y-axis rear cover. Install the Y-axis rear cover screws. Push the heat bed forward and backward to test the effect.